While much of Springboard's day-to-day operation is managed around driving and production manifests, routes are actually the backbone of Springboard's scheduling and manifest building engine. While it's unlikely that you will make changes to your routes and manifests once they're set up, it's still important to understand the relationship between routes and manifests and the differences between them. Routes are very flexible. Routes are a collection of zip codes. A zip code can only belong to one route. Routes can have multiple pickup and drop-off days. A route can belong to more than one manifest. In contrast, manifests are very rigid or limited in what they can do. A manifest is a container or a box for a route or a collection of routes that share common pickup or drop-off days. A manifest can only be driven on a single day of the week, either in the morning or in the afternoon. Let's take a look at this chart. You can see that we have two routes, blue and red. The zip codes 0 to 840, 0 to 842, and 0 to 871 are all attached to the blue route. That means that any customers residing in those zip codes will also be, in effect, attached to the blue route. The blue route is picked up twice a week, once on Monday morning and again on Wednesday morning. Orders picked up on Monday will be returned on Tuesday, and orders picked up on Wednesday will be returned on Thursday. The red route has only one zip code, 0 to 852. It only has one pickup day, Thursday, and one drop-off day, Friday. The blue route will be attached to four distinct manifests: the Monday AM manifest, the Tuesday AM manifest, the Wednesday AM manifest, and the Thursday AM manifest. The red route also needs to be attached to manifests. Because the red route's pickup day is Thursday, and we created a Thursday AM manifest to attach the blue route to, we can just go ahead and attach the red route to the Thursday AM manifest as well. And to finish out, we'll attach the red route to the Friday manifest to return the close. Let's go through the entire process of building a route and then adding that route to a manifest. Choose Manage Routes from the Admin submenu. Click the Make New Route button. Give the route a descriptive name. Next, you want to set the cutoff times. A route's cutoff times have implications for the customer and for the Springboard administrators. Customers can schedule or cancel pickups at any time up until their route's cutoff time kicks in. The cutoff time does not apply to admin scheduled pickups. Admins can add customers to a manifest right up until the point that the manifest gets checked out by the driver. However, a manifest cannot be checked out by the driver until the cutoff time has been reached. So when you're setting up your cutoff times, think about what time you need your drivers to get out the door, and then subtract an hour or two. If you want your drivers on the road by 7 a.m., you might set the AM cutoff time for 5 a.m. That means that customers can schedule pickups right up until 5 a.m., but your drivers still have a couple of hours to organize their route before checking it out. Once you've selected a name for your route and set the cutoff, dry cleaning, and AM/PM label display properties, click the Add Route button. This will create the route and return you to the Route Manager. Notice that the title of the route is displayed in red text. This is to indicate that the route setup is not complete. We still need to assign the route zip codes and pickup days. Let's start with assigning pickup and return days. Click on the Edit Pickup Days button. This is where you indicate to Springboard which days and at what times the route will be picked up. For every pickup day you select, you must also indicate which day and time the route will be returned on. Let's add a Monday AM pickup. We'll tell Springboard that we want to offer this route for Monday pickups by toggling the Monday Pickup Radio button to Yes. We also need to tell Springboard that we want to offer an AM pickup, so select the AM pickup checkbox. We now have to tell Springboard the day and time we will be returning this Monday AM pickup. Let's click the Tuesday AM button to indicate that we will be returning this Monday AM pickup on Tuesday morning. Let's go through the same process for Wednesday. We'll create a Wednesday AM pickup with a Thursday AM return. Once you're done selecting your pickup and return days, click the Update button. This will return you to the route manager. Now let's attach some zip codes to the route. Click on the Zips button. Find the zip codes that you want to assign to the route and select the route's name from the route drop-down menus. Once you've selected the zip codes, click the Reset List button and then return to the route manager. Springboard now knows that customers who live in the 02840 and the 02842 zip codes can get pickups on both Monday mornings and Wednesday mornings. But we're not quite done with setup. Next, we need to attach the route to a manifest. Click on Manage Manifests in the Admin Navigation submenu. Scroll through the list of manifests and you'll see that under the headings from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we have orphaned routes. These routes are marked as orphaned because they have not been attached to a manifest yet. It's imperative that all routes be attached to a manifest because orphaned routes are essentially invisible to the system. Scroll back to the top, toggle Show Add Edit buttons to on, and then click Refresh View. Each day of week block now has an additional set of buttons for adding and editing manifests. We're going to add a new AM manifest for Monday, so let's click on the Add New Monday AM Manifest button. We need to give the manifest a name. We want it to be something descriptive, so I'm going to call this new manifest Blue First Pickup. And I'm going to indicate that the blue route should be attached to it by selecting the route's checkbox. Once I've done that, I can click Save Manifest, and we'll see the manifest that we just created on our list of Monday manifests. Click the Return to Manifest Builder button. Scroll down the page and you'll see that the new Monday AM pickup is listed in the Monday block and that it includes the blue route. Just as importantly, there are no longer any routes flagged as orphaned under Monday. However, if we scroll a bit further down the page, we will see that we still have orphaned routes for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's because we've only placed the blue route in one manifest box so far. Because it has 2 pickup days and 2 drop-off days, we need to make sure that we place it in 3 more manifest boxes. We'll go through the same process to create 3 new manifests and then add the blue route to those 3 new manifests. Great. Our manifests are all set up and we're ready to go. This concludes the Manifests and Routes tutorial.